All right, we have the SunJoe 13 amp electric. SunJoe 13 amp electric, 2100 PSI, 1.1 GPM. Picked this up at Sam's last fall and just now getting it open. Spring. So I have a gas-powered pressure washer, but I just really get tired of keeping the gas. Use it, a couple times a year, and keeping the gas. I have to empty the gas out, put new fresh gas back in. Usually, you have those challenges, and and sometimes it's smaller jobs that I don't really need the big pressure washer out, and so I picked this up because I wanted to have something smaller to be able to do smaller things with, like hit the deck with it, the fencing, that kind of thing. Since I don't really power wash my house, I have someone else do that. So that's looks like we have plenty of, I'd say this is probably about 25 feet, maybe a little more. Now on the back side, it looks like we have a place for the detergent that you're going to use, and we'll determine that for sure, but it looks like that's what that's for. Telling you basically that the hose should be connected and the water turned on before you turn on the machine. And this over here is to hold your power cord. The important part about this is not cross-threading it, which... Okay, so that's on. Got our high pressure hose, our water inlet, and on off switch is right here. On, off. On the back, you have a couple of things. It's called a foam cannon bottom. This here is for these attachments, so I guess you can attach this part and foam from here. That's a little bit cumbersome. I have to take it off of here and put it on here. I don't really care for that, because that's just a pain taking off and on. But if you want to use any of these attachments, it does look like you have to do that, with the exception of this, which goes on in the end here. So really, that's all there is to it. You have, it's pretty lightweight, pretty decent amount of cord, not a super long hose, but don't know that I would really need it to be super long on the stuff that I do. And then you do have these attachments that you can add. Which I don't know if I'll use that much. Maybe use them by themselves and then spray it off. Don't know what you use detergent wise. Working with detergents. They're mentioning their SunJoe products, which I don't know how accessible those products are as far as picking up locally. I'll probably just find something that I can purchase at the big box store and then use in it. We'll see what works. Do not use household detergents, bleaches, solvents, etc. Okay, so that just fits right back here in the back, and it's really just a storage spot. Upon first glance, I thought it was a part of the system that I've seen it actually on my other power washer. You hook it up to it and it pulls the detergent through your water cannon, but not the case with this one. So I can see right now that as long as it works well as far as the pressure and everything, it'll probably serve my purpose, but we'll see how it actually operates once we get it out there and test it. So these, you have a place here for them, I think. Like these go like this. Go like that. Has a quick connect on the actual cannon, so like you just pull back and drop that in. That's your nozzle. This comes with 3 different degrees of quick connects. So this quick connect is a 0, which is very small needle almost. And then you have a 15 degree, and then you have a 40 degree. So you have 0, 15, 40. And these will go on the end. So if I want a 0, that's 0 degrees. And so on. I'm guessing that this is, it's called a turbo nozzle. So it does a circular pattern. And just keep that on there for now. Don't really have a place on it to store it. So, all right, so you have your trigger gun, your on-off switch, your water outlet, high pressure hose connection, your garden hose adapter connection, your power cord with GFCI, your 2 wheels, your cord holder is on the side, your needle clean out tool, 8. Where's that? Now that I didn't see. Where's that stored? There's supposed to be a little needle to clean out the, I guess it's to clean out these. Top handle, high pressure hose holder, back, right here. Utility bristle brush 11. Onboard nozzle storage, 0, 15, and 40 degree nozzles. Foam adjusting cap, that's this. Detergent nozzle, it's this. Foam cannon bottle, this. Spray wand protector, okay, that's this. spray one protector on the side. Heavy duty turbo nozzle right here. Brass quick connect collar right here. Stainless steel lance right here. Wheel and rim brush right here. For your car, I guess. High pressure hose right here. Safety lock. It's on the handle. Safety lock. Trigger and transfer adapter. 29. Transfer adapter. So I'm only missing the little needle. Maybe it'll show up here when I clean up. I'm not seeing it as of now, so. All right. I think we have everything. Next step is to actually take it and test it. See how it works. All right. Let's go put this thing to the test. All right, I was able to get some water connected to it and electric, and I did a quick couple of tests here on the fence. I did a little bit of a pre-spray on this, and you'll notice I'm using the rotating nozzle on that, and it seemed to work the best for this particular application. I did my deck as well. It had quite a bit of dirt on it from the winter, and just ran over it with this same setup. Although on the deck, I think I will avoid using any kind of detergent on my rails. It did seem to leave kind of a residue on that, so I'll probably just power wash those in the future with just water, and it'll be fine. But here's a before and an after, and you can see after or before there as well. And this is the section that I did right here. So, worked great.